Hello students, welcome to online maths class. How are you students? Yes, I am also fine. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, what day today? Students, what day today? Very good. Today is Tuesday. Okay, today is Tuesday. Okay, you like math subject? Yes. Okay. Okay, students. Before the class started, one activity, one lab method. Okay, do you like? Yes. Okay, so shall I start? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You also repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you also repeat. Okay, so once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I think you are a very good students. So very good. My dear students, very good. Okay, so today topic is very interesting topic. Okay, we are finished in unit 3. We covered unit 3. Okay, ma. Today we are starting one new unit. Okay, students, please see this slide. So, today we are going to learn about Unit 4 lines. Okay, Unit 4 lines. Okay, ma? See that. So, what is this? This is the one long ruler. Okay, see there. So, this is a long ruler. So, this is the one example of line. So, see there. Okay. So, welcome to all maths class. So, today learning outcomes, identify and draw line segment and ray. Okay. Today learning outcomes, identify and draw line segment and ray. Okay. What is today learning outcomes? Identify and draw line segment and ray. Okay, ma'am. So, see the next slide. So, you know the line. So, what is the line? So, shapes are created by connecting lines. So, shapes are created. Okay, what is that? Shapes are created by connecting lines. Okay, see the board mark. Okay, see the board. So, students, what is the shape? What is the shape? This is square. Okay, ma. So what is the shape? So this is square. Okay. So shapes are connecting lines. Okay. So this is the line and second line and third line and then fourth line. Okay. So next shape. So this is the rectangle shape. Okay. Okay, ma. So this is a rectangle. So this one is triangle. So this one is triangle. Okay, ma. So this is a triangle. So shapes are created by connecting lines. Okay. So first one is square and second rectangle. So third one is triangle. Okay. So see the next slide. So, there are different types of lines depending upon their position and shapes. Okay, there are different types of lines. Okay, so there are different types of lines depending upon their positions and shapes. Okay, see the next slide. So, what is the line, students? So, in a geometry, the notation of line or straight line was introduced by ancient mathematicians to represent straight objects with negligible width and depth. Okay, so width and depth. Okay, so lines are identical of such objects which are often described in terms of 2 points are referred to using a single letter. Okay, see the board. So 2 points. So this is a line. Okay, so that one is a line. Okay, ma. So 2 points. Okay, 2 points to refer to using a single letter. Okay, see the next slide. So, types of lines. So, first one is a vertical lines. Second is a, so what is mean by vertical lines and horizontal lines and okay, diagonal lines. Okay, see the next slide. So, see the first one. So, this is the horizontal lines. So, what is this horizontal? Okay. Horizontal. Horizontal lines. Okay, so second is a vertical line. Vertical lines. Okay, this is a horizontal lines and this one is a vertical lines. Okay, and then this is a slant line or sleeping line. Okay, slant lines. Okay, ma. So see there. So this is the horizontal lines and vertical lines and slant lines. Okay, once again, this is the horizontal lines and vertical lines and slant lines. Okay, see the next slide. So types of lines. What is that? So types of. So first one is the types of lines. So vertical lines are straight up and down and the perpendicular to horizontal lines. Okay, so vertical lines. So this is the vertical line or straight up and down and perpendicular to horizontal lines. Okay, second one horizontal lines. Okay, so see the first one. So horizontal lines are straight up and down. Straight. Okay. So this is the horizontal line. So horizontal lines are straight up and down and perpendicular to vertical lines. Okay. So first vertical lines are straight up and down. Okay, so perpendicular to horizontal lines and then diagonal lines are lines that strike in any direction except vertical or horizontal. Okay, so that is a diagonal line. So cross the line. Okay, so diagonal lines are okay lines that strike in any direction the except vertical or horizontal. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand, ma? Yes. Okay, once again, so first one is the types of lines. So vertical lines, see there. So this is the horizontal lines. So horizontal lines are straight up and down and perpendicular to vertical lines. Okay. So second one, vertical line. Okay. So this is the vertical lines straight up and down or perpendicular to horizontal lines. So horizontal lines are straight up and down and the perpendicular to vertical lines. So third one, diagonal lines. So diagonal lines are lines that strike in any direction except vertical or horizontal. Except vertical or horizontal. Okay, do you understand? Okay, see the next slide. So what does line mean? Okay, so a continuous extent of length, straight or curved without breadth or thickness. Okay, the trace of moving point, something arranged. Okay, something arranged along a line, especially a straight line, a row or series. Okay, a line of trees, for example, a line of trees. Okay, so number of persons standing one behind the other and waiting their turns or for something unique. Okay, a continuous extent of length. For example, see there. So this is a horizontal line. Okay, so this one is a horizontal line. Okay, students, a continuous extent of length and straight or curve without breadth or thickness. Okay, okay, students, do you understand? Okay, see the next slide. So lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, and strand lines and or curve lines. Okay, so lines. Okay, so horizontal lines and vertical lines and slant lines. Okay, so for example, square, rectangle, triangle. Okay, see there. So square, rectangle and triangle. Square, rectangle and triangle. Okay, so lines, so curved lines also. So what is that? So curved lines. Okay. So curved lines, for example, circle. What is that? So this is a circle. Okay, ma. So this is the circle. For example, of curved lines. Okay. So first one is the square, rectangle, triangle. These are some examples of horizontal, vertical, and slant lines. So curved line is one example of circle. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. See the next slide. So lines. Okay. Some using in the letters. Okay. See carefully. Using in the letters. Okay, students, see some example. So using some letters. So lines also connected to a letters. Okay, so see the first one. So S. Okay, what is this? S. Okay, so next letter P. What is the name of the letter? So this is P. Okay, what is this? P. Okay, so this is curved line. What is that? So curved line. Okay. So and this line is the, what is the line? Straight line. What is that? Straight line. Okay, students. Students, please take a page number 75. Okay. So unit 4, lines, symmetry and patterns. Today learning outcomes: identify and draw line, line segment and rate. Okay. So types of lines. So see there. Take a page number 76. 76. Okay. So first one, horizontal line, vertical line, slant line and curved line. Okay. So this is a curved line. So this is a curved line. So once again, horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, curved line. Okay, horizontal line, vertical line. Okay, so slant line. Okay, so next one, some curved line. Okay, so see some example. So using some letters. So S and P. For example, letter of P. Okay, so this one is the curved line. So what is this? This is the curved line. Curved line. So this line is a straight line. Okay, so this is the vertical line also. Straight line and vertical line and other name of vertical line. Okay, see there. So I draw separately. And what is this? So this is a curved line and this is a straight line or vertical line. Okay, ma? So this is also same. So and then this is the curved line and this letter is a D. So name of the letter is D and this line is curved line. Okay, curved line. Okay, so and this line is straight line. So what is this? So straight line. Okay, so another name of vertical. Okay, so vertical line. Okay, once again recall. So, types of lines, you take a page number 76, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines and curved lines. Okay, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines and curved lines. So, also see the board. So, this is the horizontal lines. Okay, so next is the vertical line. Okay, so next is the slant lines. Okay, and last one is the curved line. Okay, what is this? So last one is the curved line. So some example of the letter of P and D. Okay, so this one is the curved line and this line is a straight line or vertical line. Okay, vertical line. So this is also curved line or vertical line or slant line. Okay, it's a straight line. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Yes. Okay, my dear students, see the next slide. So types of lines, line, ray and segment. Okay, what is the next topic? Line, ray and segment. Okay, see the line, ray. Okay, students, see the board. So types of lines. Okay, so first one is the line. So what is that? So first one is the line. Okay, so second one started with one point and go to arrow. So this is the ray. What is that? So this one is the ray. Okay, so third one. This one is line segment. What is that? Line segment. So, see carefully mark. So, first one is line. So, second one is ray. And third one is line segment. Okay? Line, ray and line segment. Okay? You understand? Yes. Students, please take a page number 76. Okay, students, please take a page number 76. So, draw shapes using a dot grid. Okay, for example, see the board. So, once again recall. So, this is the line and this is ray and this is line segment. Okay, so next we go to learn about what is that? So, draw shapes using a dot grid. Dot grid. Okay? So நம்ம எப்படி dot யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி ஒரு ஷேப் வந்து நம்ம மேக் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். So, for example, 6 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, ma'am? So, how to use draw shapes using a dot grid. For example, we draw one rectangle. So, using rectangle shape. Okay. So see there. So breadth. So length and this one is breadth. So what is this? This is the breadth. Okay. For example only. So draw shapes using a dot grid. Okay. Students, please take a page number 76. Please draw a picture in the rectangle shape. Okay. Write fast. So second one, draw a triangle. So what is that? Draw a triangle picture. Okay. So see carefully. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So for example, you see triangle. Okay. So this is a triangle picture. So full cover picture is not up to enter. Okay. So horizontal line. So today concept types of lines. Okay. What is that? Types of lines. So first one is the horizontal line and vertical line and slant line and curved line. Okay. So second one in the images below, in the images below, draw horizontal lines with blue color, vertical lines with red and slant lines with green and curved lines with black. Okay, once again recall lines. Okay, see carefully. So students, this is activity for you. So what is the picture? So this is the house. Okay. So this picture is house. Okay. Fine. Okay, ma'am. So okay. So this is the so see carefully. So second picture. Okay. So horizontal lines. So this one is the horizontal. Okay. So what is this? Horizontal. Horizontal line. Okay. What is that? So horizontal line. Okay. So this one is the vertical. Okay, ma. So next one is slant line. Uh, So next one is a slant line. Okay. So what is the question now? So in the images below, draw horizontal lines in a blue color. Horizontal line which color? Blue. Blue color. Okay, ma? So this is the blue color. This is the blue color. And draw horizontal lines of blue color. Vertical lines red color. So using the color. Okay, so I just say only clue. Okay, you try this sum. Okay, so what is a horizontal line and what is a vertical line and what is a slant line and what is a curved line. Okay, first you identify the lines. Okay, so first I just say clue only. Okay, ma. So vertical line. So this is the vertical line and this is the vertical line. Okay, and this one and this one. So vertical line. Use in a red color. Okay, you take the color pencil. Use in a red color. Okay, draw red color. Okay. So second one, horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line is this line and this line and this line. Okay, so this is used in blue color. So what is the color? Blue. Okay, ma. So used in the blue color. Okay, so what is the color? Blue. Okay, ma. So next one, slant line. So this is a slant line used in the green color. Okay, ma. So use in a green color. Okay. Okay, students, do you understand? First, you identify which line is there. Okay. Second, you choose the color and match the lines. Okay. So, red color you draw the, blue color you draw horizontal line only, and red color you draw vertical line only, and slant lines you draw in a green color. Okay. Next, curved line used in the black color only. Okay, so this one is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line and this is a slanting line. Okay, so this picture is no curved lines. Okay, you use in the black color, only use the blue, red, green. Students, this is the activity for you. So you take a color pencil, use in the colors. Okay, so take a page number 76. Students, take a page number 76. Okay, so next one is also, this is activity for you. Types of lines, take a page number 77. Take a page number 77. So design 1 and design 2. Draw designs using dot grid. Okay, which any designs you using a dot grid. And second one, draw object as per the instruction given below. So first one only I explain an object with only curved lines. Okay, so using in a dot, a draw objects as per the instruction given below. Okay, ma. So this is used only curved lines. So page number 77. It is also homework for you. Do this sum. Okay, ma. So today once again is recall. So today learning outcomes. So lines. So horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines, and curved lines. Okay, ma. I think today class is very interesting for you. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, my dear students. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Bye.